Today I'd like to share a grounding meditation that I opened my men's group with. I have a men's group I meet with at this point once a month. Started it back in COVID times where we met weekly, but these guys didn't want to stop, and that's great. I'm really happy to support them. We always begin with a grounding meditation. This isn't scripted. I'm not going to really attempt to repeat it word for word, but I'll give the general idea of what it's like to ground some men before they openly share what is sort of challenging them in the world. And then there's time for feedback and support. So you can do this as well. And this is a time for you to, before you begin what could be a challenging conversation, or if you really want to be able to connect with your heart and communicate with somebody, this meditation can support you before you show up with your words. So you can begin by softening your gaze, taking in the space that you're in. You can choose to close your eyes or not, but do so with an exhale, because now you have begun to pay attention to your breath. And that's fundamental in meditation and in grounding. The other part that's important is to feel your sit bones, which are literally grounding you into your seat. And at the same time, feel the bottom of your feet. You can even push down deeper into earth by pushing your knees down, and feel how that connects you even deeper. And lastly, your tailbone should be tucked a little bit so your pelvis is pointing toward your navel. And all these connection points ground you. And then become still with it. All the while tracing your breath, tracking your breath in through your nose, down past the back of your throat, past your heart, and into your diaphragm, where you spread. You have to relax your shoulders back. Do so on the inhale. And then you attempt to hold the pose in this stillness. And then you just become breath. You're not changing your breath, but becoming aware of it. All the while you're still pushing into the earth. And after one or two breaths, see how you can deepen into the diaphragm with the inhale and expand your ribs, your belly, just a touch further, and hold it for a moment. And just before it becomes uncomfortable, you release it while you still hold your open pose, your open heart, your open solar plexus. And after you exhale everything out, see if you can exhale with just a little bit more. Hold it out. And then take another big, juicy, deep breath into your throat, through your heart, deep into the bottom of your diaphragm, expanding outward, and holding it at the top of your fullness. And then you relax it out. You relax the belly down against your spine. And into the earth. And you hold it out as well. Now I don't count the inhales and the exhales, but please proceed without counting. I want you to feel when holding the breath in feels like too much. If it does feel like too much, you probably held it too long. And same goes for holding the breath out. So it should feel good, feel comfortable, soothing. To be still. As I said before, stillness is peace. So feel into that peace. And in your stillness, become wider and more available and grounded, rooted into this earth. Where you're just visiting for a moment in a very long time that this earth has been around, that the sun has been shining, that this oxygen and carbon dioxide have played this dance that you're now participating in for the moment. So can you be in this moment? Wide, available, and still. I could be quiet for a moment and allow you to just enjoy your own guidance. 3 breaths. In and hold, out and hold, in and hold, out and hold, and in and hold, and out and hold. need to match my breath now. That was 3 breaths. And this is what it takes. Is all it takes. To be available, to be open, to listen. Because that's all anybody really wants from you. They don't want your advice. They don't want criticisms. They want your attention. And this is how you give attention in one of these men's groups. Thank you for your attention. If you like this video, if you like the way I guide meditations, please subscribe. I'll be continuing to upload videos. I'm also available to take clients on, where we begin with grounding meditations. Similar to this. So feel free to reach out too. Thank you.